Welcome to PHC6235 Critical Infrastructure Protection. I'm Dr. Chris Reynolds, and I'm going to be your instructor over the next several weeks. This graduate course is an in-depth look at our nation's critical infrastructure and is one of the courses required for the USF Homeland Security Graduate Certificate. This course explores the risks and vulnerabilities associated with our nation's critical infrastructure while analyzing, mitigating, and protective practices employed throughout the nation. These include sectors of banking, securities, and commodities markets, industrial supply chains, the electrical grid, energy production, transportation systems, communications, water supply, and of course health and public health, which is what we're interested in. Now, students will assess and evaluate the current doctrine to appraise the effectiveness of contemporary infrastructure protective measures. Now, the key concepts of resiliency will also form the foundation for each of you to formulate a risk assessment on key infrastructure nodes. Finally, you will analyze the cyber risk to the nation's infrastructure and measure its impact on the system. Now, take a few minutes and go into your e-classroom and look along the left-hand margin of the screen, and you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the Modules tab, and then click on Getting Started. And once you've read through that, your first assignment is going to be a forum posting where you will introduce yourself. So tell us a little bit about yourself. I also would like you to apply to a fellow colleague student's posting as well. Now, in week 1, you have a discussion forum posting due, and in week 2, you have a 5-page paper due. From that point on, you'll only have assignments every 2 weeks, whether it is a forum posting or a mini paper. And of course, in module 7 will be the final research paper. And you should start thinking now about what your research topic is going to be about. And of course, if you have any issues or questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to, give you my input on it. Anyway, I look forward to working with each of you over the next several weeks. And as always, please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you, everybody.